Important homonyms for various kind of examination. Accept গ্রহণ করা, I cannot accept your proposal. Accept ব্যতীত, everybody attend the meeting except him. Artist শিল্পী, Leonardo was a great artist of his time. Artisan কারিগর, the artisan is now at his work. Advice উপদেশ দেওয়া, Father advised me to take up economics. Advice উপদেশ, the boy will not take any advice. Altar বেদি, the god was sacrificed on the altar. Alter পরিবর্তন, nothing in the question paper is to be altered. Able সক্ষম, I am an able man. Capable সক্ষম, he is capable of understanding me. Addict খারাপ কাজে আসক্ত হওয়া, I am not addicted to smoking. Addiction খারাপ কাজে আসক্তি, I was surprised to find his addiction to drinking. Devote ভালো কাজে অনুরক্ত বা অনুরাগ হওয়া, he is devoted to religious activities. Devotion ভালো কাজে অনুরক্ত, his devotion to truth has drawn him towards a social politics. Admit স্বীকার করা, admitted that he knew the fact. Confess দোষ স্বীকার করা, the criminal confessed his crime. Affection, every mother has affection for her child. Affection ভান, his attitude was full of affection. Alternate পলাক্রমে যাহা আসে, the medicine is to be taken on alternate days. Alternative বিকল্প, this is alternative to that. Access প্রবেশাধিকার, the class leader has access to the headmaster. Excess অতিরিক্ত, excess of anything is bad. Allusion পরোক্ষ ঘটনার উল্লেখ, the passage has an allusion to be death of Lenin. Illusion ভ্রম বা মায়া, the world is an illusion. Adept দক্ষ, Hena is adept in music. Adapt উপযোগী, the works of Byron have been adapted for children. Adopt গ্রহণ করা, never adopt unfair means in the examination. Afflict যন্ত্রণা পাওয়া, he has afflicted at my remark. Inflict প্রয়োগ করা, heavy punishment was inflicted. Essay চেষ্টা করা, the author essay much to produce creative works. Essay প্রবন্ধ, an essay reflects what the author thinks. Await প্রতীক্ষা করা, we are awaiting the prime minister. Wait বিলম্ব করা, why do you keep me waiting? Ought যতটুকু, for ought I know he is an honest man. Ought উচিত, you ought to respect your teacher. Beach সমুদ্রকূল, it is always a joy to roam about a sea beach. Beach কুকুরি, the beach gave birth to a litter one. Break ভাঙা, the chip broke the door open. Brake গতিরোধক যন্ত্র, every car must have a proper brake system. Beside পাশে, he sat or lay beside me. Besides ব্যতীত, besides this point there are some other points to be consider. Bank তীর, চিন্ময় was wandering on the bank of the river. Bunk ট্রেনে ঘুমাইবার স্থান, I found no bunk in the train. Bread রুটি, the beggar demanded more bread. Breed উৎপাদন করা, a good environment breeds cultured man. Back পিঠ, he took the bag on his back. Back ishara. I could not grasp at his back. Berth রেলে বা জাহাজে ঘুমাইবার যন্ত্র. All the berths are reserved. Birth জন্ম. The baby weighed 3 kilos at birth. Better অধিকতর ভালো. The sooner the better. Bitter তিক্ত. The medicine has a bitter taste. Bone হাড়. The doctor set back the displaced bone in position. Ben উপকার. The bends of our civilization loom large today. Boon আশীর্বাদ. The western culture brought us many boons. Born জাত. A baby was born to her. Born বাহিত. Beware of waterborne diseases. Bury পুতিয়া রাখা. The dead body was buried in the graveyard. Berry jam. Children are always fond of blackberries. Bear সহ্য করা. I cannot bear the oppression on more. Bare নগ্ন. In winter trees stand denuded and bare. Beneficial. The cow is a beneficial animal. Beneficent দয়ালু. The man was beneficent. If there any pronunciation is to be mistake, it is think that it was unfortunate.